Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Binance if your currency is not listed on Binance. So for example, if I go on a Trade and Classic, and if I go here, as you can see here, and if I search for NZD, which is a New Zealand dollar, as you can see here, New Zealand dollar is not listed on Binance, which means they are not supporting it. Or as you can see here, if I put Canada dollar, also it's not listed. So what you need to do here first is you need to find a crypto exchange that accept that particular currency. So for example, as you can see here, it says the Binance, but it's not working. I'm pretty sure that Coinbase is supporting NZD, as you can see here. So first what you need to do here is to find a exchange that supports your currency, and then you need to transfer money, cryptocurrency there, and then exchange to money. So let's say I have a Bitcoin that I want to transfer to Exodus. So you need to go to wallet and fiat and spot, and then you need to go to your wallet on the, for example, Coinbase, Exodus, or whatsoever, and then you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transport. So for example, Bitcoin, and then you need to press receive, and you will get a code here that you need to copy, and then you need to go on Binance, and then you need to select the currency that you want to withdraw. So it was Bitcoin, so let's select withdraw Bitcoin, and as you can see here, then select make sure to select crypto, and as you can see here, then coin, Bitcoin, or other one, and then add BTC address that you copied, pasted here, and then select the transfer network and press submit, and basically you will get money on, for example, Coinbase, and then you can withdraw your money with your currency. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press the like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.